Here's a recap on the Jeep. Bumper's still bolted on. Didn't fall off last night. Was talking about, I can crawl in here and find them. Those little clamps there, I did flip them over, so they shouldn't interfere with my skid plate anymore, making clunking noises. I still got to figure out what to do about that weld back there, but we had a little problem last night too. She didn't want to start. Oh, I mounted my license plate. Just used the fairly bolt mount locations, put a little bracket, just hammered an L bracket flat, and keeps her legal for now. But yeah, I had to clean the battery terminals to get her fired up, so do something at the bottom of that metal there on that fender. Anywho, she's ready on the front end. No cracking on this side. That's a little disappointing. I gotta figure out what to do over there. Look into if there's any stiffening plates or something that can go on that, or if I just have to weld it back up. Build some sort of L channel to put in there or something. Stiffen that other side. Anyway, that's just a quick little recap video from yesterday. Worked on wet sanding and cleaning up the tailgate, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to spray today, so a little too cool. Alrighty, a couple videos for you guys. We'll move on from here. Talk to you later. Bye bye.